It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking vertical angles, looking at intersecting lines. Here we go. We are asked to select the two angles in this diagram that represent a pair of vertical angles, and you're going to use this figure and make your answer choice. So please pause the video now, make your answer choice selections, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. Once again, we're going to select two angles from this diagram that represent a pair of vertical angles. Before we begin, let's review the definition of vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite from each other when two lines intersect. I can see that in this diagram we have several pairs of intersecting lines. So let's highlight one pair of intersecting lines right here. So within these intersecting lines, I can see that I have vertical angles here. They are opposite each other, and then vertical angles here that are opposite each other. But I can't make a selection of two angles because there's only one to pick from. So we know that this angle cannot be part of our answer choice, seeing as there is not another circle opposite this angle. It does not form a pair of vertical angles. So let's mark this one as not a possibility and erase our workspace. Now let's highlight another pair of intersecting lines. Now let's look at this pair of intersecting lines. Here I can see I have two angles to pick from. However, when I consider vertical from this angle, opposite when the intersecting lines cross, there is not another blue circle there. So this is not one of my pairs. And then over here, I can see that this circle does not have another circle that would be vertical to it. So again, I can eliminate that as a possible answer choice and clear my workspace. So now let's look at our last and third pair of intersecting lines. Here they are, and I can see I have three answer choices to pick from. So right here, we can see that this circle, vertical or opposite to there, is not another circle. So this does not have one of the circles that is vertical, so not a vertical angle. Here we go, our last one and our best one. We have a blue circle here, and opposite we have another. So this is a pair of vertical angles. They are formed by a pair of intersecting lines, and they are opposite from each other on these vertical lines, on these intersecting lines. So let's go ahead and identify those as our answer choice, clear off our X's, and there we have it. These two angles represent a pair of vertical angles. They are formed by intersecting lines, and they are opposite each other. And there you have it, how to identify vertical angles from a figure of intersecting lines. Thank you for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day, and you'll come back soon.